Respected Principal, Dr. Chaya Pansi Madam, Honorable Guest of Honor, our former Vice Principal of Arts and Director of Indus Viva Special School for Children, Vice Principal of Commerce, Dr. S.S. Patak, Vice Principal of Science, Dr. Manisha Acharya,
Vice
then
Principal of
all
Arts.
mental health practitioners of Indus Viva Special School, then Dr. K.H. Pawar, Dr. Sangeeta Kongre, other professors, Dr. Monica Verma, and Dr. Shilpa Khare, and all the other students, our students. Good morning and a very warm welcome to this workshop on stress management. We, the academicians, are concerned not only about your academics, but also about your emotional and mental health. That is the reason behind organizing this workshop. Last week, when I was just talking to our principal about mental health program for students, she said immediately, she said, "You, why don't you call Sundari? She's very good and she's the right person to talk to our students." So then I called Sundari madam, and without any reluctance, she immediately agreed and she said, "It's my pleasure. I would like to give back to my college where I served for 25 long years." So we are here. So I'm so happy, Sundari madam, that you're here with us. And I now request our principal to welcome the gathering.
Respected Vice Principals, Mrs. Patak, Mrs. Maithili Mukund, Dr. Manisha Acharya, our chief guest for today's function, Dr. Sundari, who is the director of Indus Viva School and Early Learning, my dear teacher participants, and my dear students. A warm welcome to all of you this morning. And Madam is going to deal with the topic stress management. Today, with this COVID-19 impact on the whole world, there is obviously a very high level of anxiety and corresponding stress. Stress management is a wide spectrum of techniques and psychotherapies aimed at controlling a personal level of stress and improving the everyday function. One is living with high level of stress. We are putting entire well-being at risk. Stress affects emotional equilibrium as well as physical health. Effective stress management helps us to break the whole stress and has put life so that we can live in a healthier and we can lead a more healthier and productive life. And dear students, this is the apt time when you can really learn how to deal with stress. And we could have no other better person than Dr. Sundari, who is very much attached to our institute even today. Dr. Sundari has been with us for nearly 3 decades and she has worked as Vice Principal of Arts. We are very happy, Dr. Sundari, to have you. I once again welcome you to this webinar on stress management. And I also congratulate Maithili Madam and the English department for organizing this webinar. Welcome you once again, Madam.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
I now request Dr. Pawar to introduce Dr. Sundari madam.
Ma'am, please ask participants to mute themselves.
Ma'am, is it
We've told already, I sent a message.
all the participants and just allow speakers to unmute themselves?
Tanya is coming on the screen here.
Dear participants, please
Yes, Pawar.
mute yourselves. Thank you. Good morning, all. Good morning, Sundari ma'am.
Good morning.
And virtually welcome to MD again.
Thank
Dear
you.
friends, dear students, the colleagues of MD College, the staff of MD College know Madam very well. Perhaps you must not be knowing about Sundari ma'am, so I'm here to introduce you very quickly.
We can't hear properly, no? Can you all hear him?
His voice is cracking.
Yeah, your voice is cracking, Pawar.
Yeah, we can't hear
Yeah,
you. Sir.
can you hear me now? Yeah, there was a call. There was a call.
Hold the mic very close.
Yeah, ma'am, can you hear me? Am I
Yeah,
audible now?
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'll describe her with one sentence that she is a human being, I think, and I believe, who is born to be permanently happy always. I never saw her in my life sad or serious or angry, of course. She worked in MD College for 25 years. Dr. Sundari KP is a wonderful human being, wonderful psychologist. Dr. Sundari Madam has, as I said, worked in MD College for 25 years. And she has, during this time, published a lot of research papers, and she has done a lot of or several minor and major research projects as well, who were granted by UGC, ICSSR, and other social institutions. She has also conducted a few international conferences also in our college. Presently, Madam is working in Bangalore even after her retirement in Indus Viva, an institution that works for the special children, which very much suits, of course, to her nature also, to help them and to take these needy students ahead in her life. Madam is an in-depth, knowledgeable person about human psyche. I must say, there's a beautiful word for such person, man kauda. So she is a man kaudi. That means a person who, I'm telling you the meaning of this in English, a person who just understands what's going on there in the mind of other person, just looking at the face. So dear friends, you are very lucky, and we also are lucky to hear her after a long break today. So please enjoy her session. I will not take much of the time because we have lost many minutes.
Yes.
Okay, over to Sundari Madam, please.
Yeah. So Sundari ma'am, over to you. Please carry on. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. At the outset, thanks to the principal of MD College, Dr. Jaya Pante, the principal and specifically the English department for inviting me over to conduct a small so-called virtual workshop on stress management. So with these few words, I would like to go straight to my presentation. This is for students. It is 11:20 now. So the first 15 minutes, I will be having a small PowerPoint presentation to tell you about what is stress. See, you can't manage something which you don't know what it is. So you people will have to first understand what is stress. I will, till about 11:35, I will talk about what is stress and how to identify your stress. Then from 11:35 to maybe 12 or 12:05, about 25 to 30 minutes, I will be offering certain strategies or methods, practically making you do it so that you can choose one of them to handle stress. Is that okay?
Absolutely, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
We will have about 10 minutes. Priority is for students. Then
Yes.
myself, of course, for questions, any clarification. So I hope to finish the whole thing by 12:20 or 25 maximum. Okay, dear friends, let's look at this word stress. Are the students there with me?
Yeah, they can't hear you because they are on mute.
They are mute.
Yes, ma'am. They can
So
listen
they
to you,
can't
ma'am.
talk. Yeah.
Ma'am.
You can
Yes,
listen
ma'am.
to me. Fine. Okay. So my question to you people is, what do you understand by this word stress? Even little kids nowadays, even tiny tots say, "Arey baap re, mujhe bahut tension ho raha hai." What is this tension or stress? How would you describe it? Anyone? Since students are on mute, maybe one of the staff can tell me, what do you understand by this word stress? Answers are welcome, please.
High level of anxiety. and
High level
Something
of
that disturbs
anxiety.
you. Something that disturbs you.
Something that disturbs you. Okay. Any other answers?
Lot many jobs in to do.
Pardon? Pardon?
multitasking.
Multitasking.
Multitasking. Okay, fine. Now let's quickly look into what is the stress all about. How do psychologists define stress? We give a scientific definition for everything. So let's look at that. Stress, your friends, is a common phenomenon. Common phenomenon. What happened, Baba? Just a second, please. Next slide. So it's a common phenomenon. Look at this definition here. It says, stress is the body's reaction to any change that requires adjustment or response. It's a reaction of the body and the mind to put it together. So if it is just a reaction, after all, we all are meant to react. If we don't react, Dr. Chaya would clearly put it, as zoologists and botanists, they would say, if there is no, one of the signs of life is reaction. If you don't react, you're dead. So what's so big or great about the stress that everybody is talking about it? It is nothing but a reaction. Now, this reaction takes different forms. It's not that it is just physical. It is multifold. You will have physical reaction, you will have mental reaction, you will have emotional reactions. All this comes together as a package. Now, stress, my dear friends, my question to you is it important for us? Should we have stress at all in life? Stress chahiye ya nahi chahiye? That's my question.
No.
No need for
No,
stress.
we don't want it.
Required. Certain amount of stress is required to.
So we
Yeah, it holds your skills.
we equate stress to the violin string. Have you seen musicians before they start a concert? They normally sort of tighten or stabilize the string. Now, what happens if the string is very loose? Music kaisa aega? If the string is very loose, will the music be good?
No.
No. If the
No,
string
ma'am.
is too tight, what will happen? Violin ka string,
Yes.
बहुत tight hai, so what will happen? It will break.
It won't.
Break.
Huh.
It will break. Now, stress
ma'am.
is something like that. If it is too less, we will all get bored in life. Example, you go to a village, there is no stress. How long will you stay in a village?
Hmm.
Okay. 2 days, maximum 1 week, and then you say, I'm bored.
Yes.
आप लोग बोलते हैं ना, students normally say, हमको happening place में रहने का है. Bombay is a happening place. While the place where I stay, Bengaluru, is a retired man's place. There's nothing much happening here. We have a laid back, right? So very less stress means you'll get bored. On the other hand, too much of stress means what happens? You will break. And that's when mental health issues start. Next slide, Navya. Can I? Yeah. So whatever causes stress for you, we call it stressors. What do we call it? Stressors. Stressors can be positive. I've given a list out there. So many stressors, right? They can be little ones, they can be big ones, which cause a lot of stress. Okay? Next slide, please. Look at this. Anything which is positive, which causes stress, we call it eustress. For example, घर में शादी है, एक promotion मिला है, नया job मिला है, then also we are under stress, है या नहीं? Yes, na?
Yeah.
Changes happen in our body, our mind and stuff. Distress is the worst thing because it is unpleasant. Abhi jo ho raha hai, for which this webinar has been organized by MD College, is because of distress or eustress. जो stress अभी है,
Yeah,
is it
because
stress
of
or
many
eustress?
stress students are having because of
No. My question is the stress positive or negative? What is there now? A COVID
positive. It is now to relieve their stress.
meaning this COVID feeling is an unpleasant feeling. It takes away your energy. Any ill health is a distress. Positive situations causing stress, we call it eustress, like a marriage at home, a child being born at home, having got a new job, that is called eustress. Now what we are all going through is distress, death, disease, accidents, loss of a job. You can keep listing. So what does distress do to us? Look at that list. It makes you feel unpleasant, unhappy. You're not happy people when distress is there. Energy कम होता है, ज़्यादा होता है.
Monica.
Energy is very low.
Oh, okay. I'll tell Rishikesh.
Or when you see the news, do you feel happy about COVID? Mumbai
No,
में
not at all. Not at all.
में जो हो रहा है, do you feel happy about it? No.
No, not at all, ma'am.
Yes, many people say, oh, I've lost all motivation. I want this to end, right? Now, this can be short term or long term. Now, ये जो COVID हो रहा है, that is long term stress. Things like bhukamp, earthquake, volcano, etc. short term stress. A pandemic is a long term stress. Okay. Now, why is it so stressful? Because we feel we cannot cope with it. हम उसको manage नहीं कर सकते. Next slide, please. Now, there was a psychologist called Graham Saley. He says that if you have to be in good health, see the extreme left of the slide, it says good health. To be in good health, you should be in balance. Okay? Yes? Can you hear me? Maithili?
Yeah. Yes.
Now, what happens when there is stress? Whenever distress happens, the body reacts in 3 stages. I've listed the stages in the form of a flow chart. The first stage is called alarm stage. To tell you what this is in a short manner, suppose you are alone at home, middle of the night, somebody is banging the door. You go to the door and you peep out, and you see 10 Dakus standing there with all kinds of weapons. What will you feel first? What will you feel? What will your mind and body feel? Alarm. You're shocked, right? But this shock causes certain changes in the body and the mind. Next slide, please. Look at this. What are the changes in the body? This is happening automatically here. None of us realize this, but it is happening. The main culprit is your brain, which is sitting out here. What happens in the brain? You experience anxiety, sometimes depression, irritability, mood swings, all that. You can't concentrate. Now, does it stop here? No. Brain immediately sends messages to the body. As zoologists and botanists, they will know that there is something called a central nervous system axis. Mane, hamari brain jo hai, it will send some chemicals. What will happen when those chemicals come to our body? What happens when you're stressed out? Your heartbeat. What happens to your heartbeat? Your heart beats loudly. Your blood pressure goes up, right? So many people say, oh my God, kuch ho raha hai idhar. That's the first reaction. Is that all? No. Your muscles become tight. These are all unconsciously they are happening. They are not happening consciously. What happens to your immune system? It will become weak. सहने का शक्ति कम हो जाएगा. इसीलिए students develop fever, cold, etc. during exams. They are not prepared. They are stressed up. Immune system becomes weak, and they get all these headache. You know, MD was very famous for the lemon and onion culture during exams. Do you remember, Dr. Chaya?
Yeah.
Students will faint. They're all because of poor immune system. What happens to your skin? Your skin becomes dull, brittle, your hair becomes brittle, hair fall, all this will happen. What happens to your stomach? Many people experience stress in their stomach, you know. Good hota hai. They either have nausea, they feel like vomiting, they can't eat, diarrhea, loose motion hota hai, or constipation, indigestion, bloating. ऐसे कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ stomach में. And our reproductive system also undergoes a change. Many girls have problems with their menstrual cycle. Many have something called premenstrual syndrome. Just before the periods, they have all kinds of problems. So these are all connected to the body effects. So this is in the alarm stage. Body is shocked. It's quickly happening. Now, whichever part is weak in you, that will have the maximum effect. Not that all of us will have all these changes. Ho gaya. Then you're trying to resist. You're trying to push that stress away. So you need energy. Where will the body get the energy? Sugar will go up. Hai na? Without sugar, can you run? Can you fight?
No.
Not at all.
Goes up. Body automatically does it. One day, okay. 2 days, okay. But we are living in a century of stress. 21st century is called the century of stress and anxiety. So much of stress. जब बच्चा पैदा होता है, क्या पैदा उसके पहले ही स्ट्रेस शुरू हो जाता है. Parents are so stressed up. कौन सा स्कूल किधर डालो, क्या करूं? So stress is going on. And do you think that will affect the baby which is being formed in the mother's womb? Yes. And the moment the child is born, what happens? What is the problem? Oh my God, वो नहीं कर. Oh my God, 1 साल हो गया उसको rhymes नहीं आ रहे हैं. All kinds of stressors we are taking. So what happens is body gets exhausted, tired. So when your body gets tired, this may not happen in 1 year or 2 years, but continuous stress will result in this, and you will develop something called psychosomatic illness. Psycho means mind, soma means body. So all your mind's pressure or tension is converted to body diseases. Can we name some psychosomatic conditions? Can we name some? Professors are open to tell me some examples of
Heart attack.
Pardon?
Heart attack. Heart attack.
Yes.
Blood pressure.
Blood pressure, heart attack,
Diabetes.
diabetes,
Brain stroke.
There are
brain stroke. Yeah.
conditions. Now, if this is true, and we are living in a world of stress, how do we manage this stress in our life? I'm going to show you 2 techniques today. There are plenty, there are many. If you ask me to talk, I can talk for days together on this. But today, I'm going to offer 2 dishes to you. I'm giving you a buffet. I'm going to make you practically do it. I'm guiding from here, and I want you guys to do it there. You choose what is most effective for you. Use it to handle the stress which all of you are going through. All of us are going through right now. Are we going through stress because of COVID?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
For some, the stress could be as high as 100 on a scale of 100. For some, it could be 80. For some, it could be 50. For some, it could be 40. Depends upon you and how well you cope with this COVID situation. So my job is to teach you some techniques which will help you to bring your stress because of COVID and other situations, because students go through a lot of stress in this age. आगे क्या? एग्जाम होएगा या नहीं? जॉब मिलेगा नहीं या नहीं? मेरी लाइफ कैसा होएगा बोल के बहुत सारी चिंता होता है. And everything adds to your stress. So let us see these techniques. Next slide, please. Okay, don't play it. There are 2 techniques which I'm going to teach you today. Please sit back, relaxed. All of you, please leave. All of you are at home only, if I'm right. So sit back, chair, comfort. Stop the video for a second. I'm going to teach you a technique called PMR. P for progressive, M for muscle, R for relaxation. This is something similar to Yoga Nidra. If people are doing yoga and if they are familiar with Yoga Nidra, it is something similar, but this is a technique purely developed by a psychologist called Jacobson. So I'm going to teach you PMR. That's going to take 10 minutes. After that, I will show you one more technique called creative visualization. These two techniques में कोई एक पकड़ के, I know it won't be a very complete presentation unless I talk about all other methods. आज उसके लिए उतना time नहीं है. We can look at it later on if you have the time, because there is laughter therapy, there is yoga, there is meditation, there is sports, there are so many techniques, self-hypnosis. Yes, these are all techniques we teach to help people to overcome their stress. So are you all ready for the buffet?
Yes.
Yeah.
To taste the buffet? Yes. So we start with, I want you to see this little video on PMR, and then I'll guide you through it and want people to do it. Please don't do it right now, just watch it. PMR.
This video will take you through a short version of progressive muscle relaxation. Lots of people find it useful to do when laying down to go to sleep. Are you ready to get started? Let's do it.
Are you ready to go to sleep?
By laying on your back or sitting in a supportive chair. Uncross your hands and feet and lay your arms down by your sides, or rest your hands on top of your legs. Take a moment to notice your breath. Slowly start to breathe in a little longer and breathe out a little longer. Let the breath raise your belly when you breathe in and lower your belly when you breathe out. My friend PJ is going to show us what to do. As you breathe in, we are going to tighten different muscle groups. And as you breathe out, we will relax the muscles. Thanks, PJ. We will do each area 2 times. When you squeeze your muscles, you don't have to squeeze as tight as you can, just make some good effort. Let's get started. Bring your attention to your feet. On your next breath in, squeeze all the muscles in your feet, curling up your toes. As you breathe out, let them relax and become heavy. On the next breath in, squeeze the muscles in your feet again. And as you breathe out, let them relax and notice that your feet feel warm and heavy and relaxed. Bring your attention to your legs. As you breathe in, tighten up all the muscles in your legs. As you breathe out, let your legs relax and become heavy. On your next breath in, tighten up all the muscles in your legs.
We are going to do it practically. We stop the video.
Relax and notice.
So we are going to do this practically. I'm going to take you through PMR for the next 10 minutes. But before that, let me show you the next video, which is creative visualization. So after PMR, I will directly go to creative visualization and finish the presentation for question and answer. Can we have creative visualization, please? This is creative visualization. I just want you to see the beginning of the video and then I'll guide you. Yes. Play.
Do you feel scared, worried, or do you have butterflies in your tummy? Here's a plan. Do this exercise with me. Close your eyes or go sit in a quiet place. Imagine you are in the most beautiful garden. You see the most beautiful flowers and plants all around you. You take a deep breath and smell the fresh air. You see a big tree in the garden. You walk towards the tree. There's a chest under the tree. Inside the chest, you see a letter. You take out the letter and start reading. Dear friend, this chest is really special. Inside this chest, you will put all your worries and it helps you to calm down. Take everything that scares you and put it inside this chest. Lock the chest and leave your problems here. Every time you feel worried again, close your eyes and think of this tree. Remember how you locked away all your problems inside this chest under the tree. Just close your eyes and take a few deep breaths.
You could stop it. Start. Okay, guys, are we ready for both the techniques? You can
Yes,
switch
madam.
on.
Yes, ma'am, we are ready. Ready, madam.
2 p.m. hour first. Please sit, make sure you're sitting in a quiet room. Switch off your mobile phones. Of course, if you are on Zoom on your phone, then it's a different story. But don't receive any calls for the next 20 minutes. Sit comfortably. If you can lie down, wonderful. If you can't, sit comfortably on a nice cozy chair. Have you done it? Sit back with your spine straight. Don't bend your spine. If you're sitting, your spine should be straight. Legs relaxed and extended forward. Don't hold your legs tightly, just relax it. Your palms facing upwards, placed on your thighs. Your palms facing upward on your thigh. आपके thighs के ऊपर आपके palms रख लीजिए. Now, please close your eyes for a beautiful journey for the next 10 minutes into your own world of peace and happiness. Close your eyes. Please close your eyes. Don't take any tension. This is a beautiful, it's like watching a movie. Let's enjoy it. But we do it. Now, I want every one of you to take in 3 deep breaths. श्वास लेने के समय एकदम गहरी श्वास, उसके मतलब just watch me before you close your eyes, just watch me. गहरी श्वास मतलब आपके शरीर या आपके मन के लिए there should be no stress. It should be smooth and nice. It should be like this. Your stomach go out, then breathe out. Your stomach should go in, then you breathe out. Like this, we have to take deep breaths. 3 deep breaths. I'll be guiding you. Please close your eyes. Let's start the deep breaths. Breathe in slowly with your nose. Let your stomach come out. Hold your breath for a second. Now breathe out through your mouth. Say through your mouth. Say when breathe out. Breathe in again. Once more. When you breathe in, imagine you're breathing in freshness, energy. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. When you breathe out, imagine that you're breathing out all your stress. Let's do it once again together. Just follow my instructions as if you're watching a movie. Don't get stressed out. Breathe in, hold, breathe out as much as you can. Because if you're doing pranayama, you can do it for a longer time. Otherwise, you may not be able to do it. It's okay. Now, observe your body. Connect with every part of your body. Your brain, connect with your brain. See your brain. Aapki mendu ko dekhiye. Your brain is doing so much for you. It's overworked, poor fellow. Just connect with your brain, your spinal cord, your face, in your face, your eyes, your nose, your mouth, your teeth, your ears. Just watch them. I don't want you to do anything with them. Just watch them. Your neck, your shoulders. आपकी दोनों हाथ, ungli tak, both your hands. Just relax it. Let go. Watch it and relax it. Now watch your lungs, your heart. Come to the chest area. Just watch how your heart is beating. Just watch it. Fast ho ya slow ho chalega. Just watch it. Now your stomach, aapki nabi, your navel area, that's the main area. Just watch your stomach. Relax it. Upper stomach, your lower stomach, all your internal organs, your hips, your genital areas, your thighs, your knees, your calf muscles, and your feet. Become aware of everything. Now, watch your breath. आपकी श्वास कैसे अंदर जाता है और बाहर आता है इतना हल्का से. Just watch it. Don't do anything with it. Just watch your breath. How rhythmically, smoothly it is going in and out. Just watch it. Now, we go to the mind. Just watch your mind. There may be thoughts. Your mind may be running to the past or future even now. Let it be. Don't bother about it. Just watch your mind. Once you're done with this, concentrate on your feet. We are starting the PMR. Concentrate on your feet. Tighten your feet. आपकी पैरों को एकदम खड़क करिए और रिलैक्स करिए. Relax your feet. Just let go. Now come up to your calf muscles. आपकी पैरों की ऊपर बार. Tighten your legs. Tighten it. Relax it. Keep going. You're doing a great job. Now, move to your knees. Tighten your knees, the muscles in your knees. Feel the tightness. Relax it. Let go. Now, move to your thighs. Tighten your thighs. Relax it. Both your legs are completely relaxed now. They're becoming heavier and heavier. Both your legs are completely relaxed now. Relax your legs. Now, concentrate on your hips, your hip muscles. Just feel them becoming tight. Try to tighten your hips. Relax it. Relax it. There is some child who is not muted. Whoever it is, please mute because it's disturbing the presentation. Whichever student, there is background noise. There is a child who is talking. Please mute your system. Close your eyes back again. Concentrate on your stomach region. Your stomach is the center for stress because you feel all stress in your stomach first. All those who are meditating, please continue. This is instruction to somebody called A. Someone called A. A for apple. Someone is not muting. I can see a teddy bear, a panda bear, and there is a child who is talking continuously from behind. Please mute, whoever it is. Please mute. All others remain in the same position. Don't get disturbed. Thank you. Let's continue. Concentrate on your stomach area. Relax your stomach. Relax your stomach. Relax every muscle in your stomach. As you do it, connect with the internal parts, your intestines, your liver, your pancreas, सबके साथ आपके consciousness, आपके ध्यान जुड़ना चाहिए. Connect with them and relax them. Because they have been working for us tirelessly for so many years. Relax your stomach. Now, let's move to the chest area. Our lungs, our heart, our lungs, connect with it. Thank your heart for having worked for you for so many years. Thanklessly, tirelessly. Our heart has been beating continuously. Thank it. Your lungs. Thank your lungs and put a suggestion to your lungs that it is strong. It's able to go through this COVID period happily, without any effort, without any problem. Relax your chest. Now, let's move to our shoulders. Kande ke upar, aapke dhyan. Relax your shoulders. Let go of all the worries. Let go of all the stress in your shoulders. Relax it. Relax your arms. Go down both your arms to the tip of your fingers. Relax them. Relax your arms. Move back to your neck. Concentrate on your neck region. Relax your neck. Relax your neck. Poor fellow gets tired, constantly keeping your head straight. Just relax your neck. Your whole body, from your neck to the tip of your toes, is completely relaxed now. Enjoy the feeling and be with the experience. Relax it. Your neck and down to the tip of your toes is feeling heavy now, relaxed and heavy. Enjoy the feeling. Now, concentrate on your face, your mouth, connect with your teeth, your tongue, your throat, your cheek, Thank them. बेचारी आपकी खाना को चबा चबा के अंदर बेचता है. Thank करिए. Relax it. Go to your eyes. Relax your eyes. बेचारा बाहर का दुनिया को देख देख के आपको अंदर मैसेज भेजता है. Thank your eyes, your optic nerve, which is working continuously. Thank it. Thank your ears. Now, come to your forehead, your brain. The forehead is like a blackboard on which we write all our, excuse me, all our experiences. All our day-to-day experiences are put in our memory in our forehead area where the brain's important parts are present. Imagine that you have a duster in your hand. You take it and wipe off all that you have written till yesterday. Just wipe it out and throw it. Or you can imagine that there is a dustbin. You're wiping the whole thing with a paper and putting the paper into the dustbin. Now, relax your whole body from your mind to the tip of your toes. Your body feels so good. Be connected with it. इतना खुशी में है आपके शरीर और आपकी मन. There is no tension anywhere in your body. You feel fresh, you feel happy, and you feel very, very relaxed. Tell your mind, may it be COVID, may it be exams, may it be any tension in my life, I can handle it. I have no tension. Put these affirmations in your mind. मैं सब कुछ को जी सकती हूँ. Please tell yourself that. Tell yourself, all is well. मन में बोलिए, all is well. Or you can use the song, हम होंगे कामयाब. You can sing that in your mind. We will get through this. And we will be happy people like before. We will enjoy our lives. Enjoy this state of mind and body for a few seconds without doing anything. Just look at your body, look at your mind, look at yourselves. Go internally. And I'm going to give you a suggestion right now to every one of you. In this deep state of relaxation, I suggest that I'm always with every one of you. My voice remains with you. Whenever you feel anxious or stressed or worried, my voice will come to you and you will relax. You will overcome the fear. You won't be anxious. You will be calm. You will be very, very calm and peaceful. Please remember these statements. I'm with you always, virtually. Remember this. So now you feel very fresh. Your mind state is fresh and happy. There's no tension. This is PMR. Don't open your eyes still. Please keep your eyes closed. I have to take you for the next 10 minutes into creative visualization, then make you open your eyes. So the first technique of PMR is over. It hardly takes 5 minutes if you do it daily. Please do it because it's going to help you. It's going to make you better people, better productivity, happier people on this earth. So that's my request to you. A quick recap. You have to sit or lie down comfortably. Don't open your eyes. Keep your eyes closed. Take 3 deep breaths. Then start concentrating from your feet. Tighten them, relax them. Like that, you move through your body till your head. That is feet, calf muscle, knees, thighs, hips, stomach, heart, lungs, shoulders, hands, neck, face, mouth, nose, eyes, ears, mind and brain. Thank your brain. And when you do this thanking, I want all of you to have a pleasant smile on your face. Please have a beautiful smile on your face. Let's all smile. With your eyes closed, please smile. Smile for your sake. Let your cheeks go up. Please smile. When you smile, your tension goes down. That is the biochemical reaction. Smile. Your brain feels happier when you smile. Very good. With this smile, imagine that the smile is percolating to your brain. Your brain is smiling. Imagine your brain is smiling. Your back of the head is smiling. Your eyes are smiling. Feel it. Your throat is smiling. Your heart is smiling and beating. Imagine. It's dancing and smiling and beating. Your lungs are smiling. Your stomach is smiling. Every cell in your body is smiling. Your legs are smiling. Your thighs, your knees, your calf muscle, your ankles, your feet, everything is smiling. You're a happy, happy person. Be happy always. So you will end PMR with this smile. Now take a few seconds. Let's be there for a few seconds in the smiley, smiley state. Please continue smiling. We're not going to lose anything. Smile, smile for your sake. Be with your sake. Let your face glow. It's like a facial, natural, smiley facial. Now, we are done with PMR. We move to the second technique called creative visualization. All of us, keep your eyes closed, don't open your eyes. All of us have thousands of worries depending upon our age, our experience, and whoever we are. There's not a single soul who doesn't have worries or tensions or anxiety. The mistake that we all do is we sink in our worries and anxieties. We don't detach ourselves. So I present to you creative visualization, a technique which will help you to rise above these worries, bundle up all these worries and put it in a box and leave it to nature to take care. So let's do creative visualization. Imagine that all of you are going separately to a beautiful park or some natural surrounding. It could be Lonavala, it could be Khandala. We can sing to ourselves, Aati hai kya Khandala? Let's go to Khandala, or let's go to Karjat, whatever it is. You experience that. When we picnics, imagine that you've gone to Khandala, a beautiful waterfall, lovely pretty flowers. You've gone near a waterfall, there are beautiful flowers. There's a lovely, lovely lawn there. You go and select a beautiful place there. Go and sit. Feel yourself sitting on the grass. If you find it difficult to sit on the floor, use your imagination. Take a bed with you. A nice, soft bed, velvety bed with you. Spread it on the lawn. Lie down. It's your imagination. Nobody can stop you. So lie down there. Just relax your body on that bed. Now, as you lie down, you get the smell of those beautiful flowers. Feel it. whatever flower आपको बहुत पसंद है, मोगरा हो, let it be Rat Rani, whatever it is, just experience the smell. Then feel the cool breeze which is going around. Enjoy it. Now, also experience that little waterfall. पानी बरस रहा है, पानी का आवाज आ रहा है, सबको महसूस करिए. Be with it. Relax. There's nothing in the world which can disturb you. You and you are the most important person on this earth. आप बहुत precious gift है भगवान की. Enjoy yourself. Don't get worried. Now, imagine that there is a beautiful big basket with a helium balloon. जो बलून उड़ता है ऊपर आदमी लोगों को लेके, ऐसे एक बास्केट और बलून आ गया है आपके पास. वो बलून का कलर देखिए, आपकी पसंद कलर में वो बलून है. क्या धीरे धीरे आप ये बेड से उठ के वो के पास गए, आप अकेले हैं, कोई नहीं है आपके पास. Step into the balloon. Decorate the balloon the way you like it. Cushions, food, lovely water to drink or some juices, आपको जो चाहिए, fruit, वो सब वो बास्केट में है. हम एक ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी में जाने वाले हैं अभी. Visualize के. There is music playing. Now, lie down in this basket. Take some deep breaths. बहुत स्ट्रेस नहीं लीजिए, आराम से श्वास अंदर लेके छोड़िए. अब बास्केट के अंदर है, एकदम शांत और सिक्योर है. You feel very secure and comfortable. This is near a waterfall in Lonavala or Khandala. You are inside the basket. Now, it is ready to lift. It's going to take you on a beautiful journey. अब सबको मन में कोई ना कोई ड्रीम रहेगा. You would have wanted to visit some beautiful place in the world. Imagine that place. आपकी बलून नेक्स्ट 2 या 3 मिनट में आपको वो जगह में लेके जाने वाले हैं. So enjoy the journey. The basket is lifting. महसूस करिए उसको, experience करिए. Basket is lifting. You are listening to beautiful music. You are eating your favorite food, pizza ho, burger ho, and you have lifted. As you're going up, you see the trees. You're above the trees now. Things are becoming smaller and smaller. एक प्लेन में उड़ने की जैसे आप आपकी बास्केट में खुद ही उड़ रहे हो, अभी आसमान में हो. Enjoy this freedom. आपकी मन और तन पूरा ये फ्रीडम को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. अच्छा हवा है, एकदम शांति है, साइलेंस है. एंजॉय इट. खाली आपका म्यूजिक बज रहा है and you're stretched out in the balloon. Now imagine the balloon has reached your favorite spot. किधर भी आप जाना चाहते थे, स्विट्जरलैंड हो, न्यूजीलैंड हो, एवरेस्ट हो, जिधर आप जाना चाहते थे उधर बलून पहुंच गया है. आपके बलून से थोड़ा नीचे आप देख रहे हैं. You're peeping out of your balloon, of your basket. Watch that whole place. उसका एक्सपीरियंस ले लीजिए. मजा आ रहा है ना? Yes, मजा आ रहा है. You are in your own beautiful world. Enjoy it. Enjoy the surrounding. आपको जूस पीने का है, पी लीजिए इमेजिनेशन में. Feel the juice going through your throat. वो टेस्ट आपकी थ्रोट के थ्रू अंदर जा रहा है. Enjoy it. It's your life. Enjoy it with a smile. Don't be serious. Have a beautiful smile. Now, we are going to start a journey back to Lonavala. But before we come to Lonavala, we are going to land on a cloud. जो clouds है ऊपर sky में, उसके ऊपर हमारी बलून 2 मिनट के लिए रुकेगा एंड हम उधर से धरती को देखेंगे, दुनिया को देखेंगे और हमारी स्पिरिट गाइड माने हम लोगों का एंजल्स गाइड्स रहते हैं स्पिरिट वर्ल्ड में जो हमको हमेशा गाइड करते रहते हैं। वो कोई गुजरे हुए लोग भी हो सकता है। It can be someone from your family who has passed away, who would have become a role model for you. So your balloon starts to come back, your basket starts to come back. Oh, it's coming. You're a beautiful big cloud, so fluffy, so beautiful. Your basket is stopped there. Step out. Just see how your feet feels when you step on that cloud. इतना soft है, इतना मुलायम है. Now you're lying down on that cloud. आप वो cloud के ऊपर सो रही हैं, आपके टमी के ऊपर. Sleep on your stomach. माने आप पूरा दुनिया को cloud से देख सकते हो. Enjoy it. You're lying down on the cloud. You're seeing the whole world नीचे. Enjoy that feeling. Enjoy it with a smile, बाबा. एक smile. हम लोग सोचते हैं दुनिया भर की टेंशन हमारी मन में ही है, हमारी लाइफ में ही है. But it is nothing when compared to what this universe is. Enjoy. Whoever P, person P, please become mute. Don't disturb the session. Now, imagine that your spirit guide has come on the cloud. Get up and stand on the cloud. Hold hands with the spirit guide. आपकी जो भी टेंशन है, जो भी चिंताएं हैं, जो भी डर है, सब स्पिरिट गाइड के हाथ में दे दीजिए. Give it to them. Give them a hug if you want. उनका गाइडेंस मांगिए. Give them a nice big hug and a big smile. आप जो भी बोलना चाहते हैं बोल दीजिए. मुझे ये सब प्रॉब्लम है, ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, सब बोल दीजिए उधर मन ही मन में. Yes. Now give them a hug. Then you need not worry. Say bye to them. Give them a nice big flying kiss. Get back into your balloon. Sit back in your balloon. The journey begins again. Slowly the balloon is coming back. It's come back from the cloud to Lonavala or wherever you went. Slowly above the trees, you can see Lonavala and the waterfall. Now, धीरे धीरे balloon नीचे आ रहे हैं. धीरे धीरे ground पे आ गया, land हो गया. Now you are so happy and cozy and fresh in that balloon. You had your snack, you had your drink, you heard all the music, you met your spirit guide. So you're fresh as a flower. Remember, at this point, I'm always there with you. I'm always there as a voice with you. Whenever you go through tension, remember my voice, and that come. Now, just chill for a second, and then we close. I will count 1, 2, and 3, and when I say 3, आराम से आपके आंखें खोल सकते हैं. But relax and sit in your chair. You don't have to sit up, and this is not a classroom. This is virtual. So आप जो भी जिधर भी हो, relax करके वैसे ही position में you can sit. Concentrate on your breath. Just watch your breath. कैसे धीमी धीमी धीरे धीरे चल रहा है आपके breath. 1, 2, 3. Slowly open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. And if you've all opened your eyes, wipe your hands together like this till heat comes in your arms, and put your arms over your eyes for a second. next slide के लिए, विनय के लिए. We have to Zoom call invited. So dears, can I have you all back on earth?
I think all of you can unmute yourself.
So I have about 10 minutes for questions, doubts. You're welcome.
Yes, students, you can ask your questions in Hindi or Marathi.
Marathi, yes.
You will understand, definitely. I know when I can, you can.
Yes,
I went to sleep for a minute or two.
Very good.
I saw that.
No, Chaya, you need to, because that much stress is there. So when the body and mind relaxes, you go.
I slept.
There's nothing. Power was fast asleep.
Ma'am, it was a heavenly sleep, I tell you. I don't know where was I.
Very good.
Automatically, as if it was a button. The moment it said come back, I came back.
You came back. Okay. One
Yeah.
little instruction for all of you. I've shown two methods. You can choose whichever you want. On a daily basis, please practice this for 5 minutes. If you want me to record the instruction,
Was very nice.
your voice
Yes.
is
Good
dragging.
morning, Saloni. Good morning. Good morning.
Your voice is dragging, Saloni.
Good morning.
Yes, she can talk. I mean, she has a problem. She can-
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes, yes, Saloni. Do you have a question?
You can even type it. You can type your question, Saloni.
Dear participants, please type your questions, queries if you wish to ask to our speaker, eminent
Okay.
speaker. Please.
Saloni, type your question.
Before the questions come in, one small instruction to all of you. After you finish this process, please drink water.
Yes, ma'am. Just give me water.
Sit and drink water, don't stand.
Juice, no?
And video can be on. You can come out. Your video can be on.
Some liquid you should drink. You can drink juice also.
Juice which I carried to Switzerland.
Same place. I also went to Switzerland only.
Were you in Zurich or were you in Jungfrau? Where were you?
What? Pardon?
In Switzerland, were you in Zurich or were you in Jungfrau? Where were you?
No, I was in Switzerland and thinking of Sweden.
Even there, madam has stress, ma'am.
Thinking of MD
Very
college.
horrible.
Yeah. Questions, please. Doubts also. See, a teacher is not a good teacher if no questions come. That means I'm not. That's how I rate myself.
No, ma'am. Actually, there is no question because everybody was asleep. Nobody remembers what did you say. And the moment you said, come back,
So,
like you pushed the button up, switch it on, and everybody was on.
Screenshot. I was taking screenshot.
I don't this.
It was really mesmerizing
Oh,
experience,
madam,
ma'am.
one question.
yes, madam.
Supposing our dear ones are affected by corona and they are corona positive, what kind of activities can we do to de-stress ourselves? What do we do? There are many students. There are many students whose relatives are having corona. They are admitted in the hospital. So.
Yeah.
How do they de-stress themselves
Okay.
and
Okay.
and give the others also that confidence that they will be fine soon?
Okay. See, one thing you must remember, Maithili madam, is that when a stressor comes like corona in the family, if somebody is affected or a friend is affected, first thing that goes into the mind is, oh my God, manageable. I can't cope with it.
Yes.
Mind appraises it as a danger. This is not something I know how to manage. So the reactions could be anything from anxiety to depression to fear or to suicidal thoughts. Kuch bhi ho sakta hai. What I suggest is you have to teach those people, and I mean, whoever is taking care of the COVID patient, whoever family is affected, first to calm their minds through breathing. See, it's not a one-day activity. People who have been doing meditation and breathing exercises or pranayama for years are lucky because you have trained your mind to calm. If you're not doing that, at least now start. Tell them to take some deep breaths, calm the mind. They may need somebody to be with them to ensure or reassure them that this is manageable. Then you start putting the positive affirmations or talking to yourself that not that everyone who is getting corona is dying. It's not like that. Many are coming back. So you have to put the positive thoughts there and say, this is manageable. Just putting the thoughts is not enough. Mind should accept it. कि ये भी चल जाएगा, ये भी manageable है. So that is one thing. So it is important to train your mind to think positively whenever such things happen. That is a challenge. So daily, along with physical exercises, जैसे हम नहाते हैं, धोते हैं, जो भी करते हैं, जो habit है, ये भी habit बनना चाहिए. मन को शांति की स्थिति में a few minutes rakna is very, very important. We have to train our mind.
Okay.
There are many online meditation stuff going on. First thing that we have to do is, first aid is, tell our mind, ye bhi chale jayega. So that the mental pressure comes down and people can handle issues.
Okay.
Right? So this is what I can tell them. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. There is a question by Martha Fernandez. She's asking, my mom is a teacher and she has started with her online teaching. She's quite stressed out. Just give me a small tip on how she can overcome that. Due to the online teaching stress, is there any chance that she can get angry on any of the family members at home?
Yes, definitely, Martha, because situations have changed. It's not that you are in a classroom going to school and teaching. You are at home, you are seeing the same old faces, and you have issues with technology. You are not able to completely control your students. So she will definitely go through mood swings or anger because this is a new thing. The body and mind is trying to adjust to this kind of experience. So there, may have to, Martha, are you there? She may have to take some help from professionals.
Yes, ma'am.
Like us, who are psychologists. There are many psychologists in Bombay also. You can tell your mother to talk to them. It's not that you go to a psychologist only when you have mental health issues. You can talk and get suggestions so that you manage the stress better. But what I would say to her is, she makes a regime or a schedule, prepares her mind the previous day that tomorrow I have to take lectures like this, and so many students are going to be like this, and the problems that may come. So mentally visualize how the class is going to be tomorrow, reschedule and manage your time so that the stress becomes less.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome.
There is just one more. There are two more questions.
Yeah.
Prathamesh Gawas to everybody. How can we stop our mind from overthinking? Like during the process of meditation, there were numerous thoughts in my mind, like a weird obsession over even silly things. It was difficult to keep my mind at peace. What do I do?
Prathamesh, this is normal for everybody who is just starting. Because the basic job of our mind is to run like a batsman. What does a batsman do in the field? He's only hitting and running and hitting and running. But we have to train our mind. That is a Herculean task. Dheere dheere wo aayega. Just as you go to the gym to build up your six packs, एक ही दिन में six packs आएगा क्या? वैसे मन भी है, मन शरीर से भी बहुत कठिन है ट्रेन करना, बट छोड़ने का नहीं. You have to learn to become like a wicket keeper. sorry, not wicketkeeper. Who's that guy, Baba? Umpire. You have to be who observes. वो दौड़ता नहीं है. आपकी मन को अंपायर बना दीजिए, खड़ा कर दीजिए, खाली देखने का है. वो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है. And at your age, you may need some help to do this. But online बहुत सारी meditations चालू है. कोई live meditations चालू है. आप कोई ना कोई लेके ट्रेनिंग शुरू करिए. Beginning is breath control. Breathing के ऊपर ध्यान दीजिए, because breath connects the body with the mind. If you do that, automatically आपकी मन धीरे 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 धीरे, not on one day, after a month ये शांत हो जाएगा. Because when you go on overthinking, your mental energy is getting wasted. You're wasting it on unwanted stuff. Mental energy is the most precious thing. Intelligent people, geniuses are people who are focused with their mental energy. They don't waste it. हमको वो सीखने का है. जो चीजें चाहिए, you tell your mind. I also tell my mind many times, shut up, come back, stop it. Because वो बंदर है. कभी पास्ट में रहेगा, कभी फ्यूचर में रहेगा, दौड़ते रहेगा, एक जगह में स्थिर नहीं रहेगा. उसको बार-बार बोलना पड़ता है. Keep doing it, you will overcome it.
I hope you remember what you told me, no? Take your remote control and switch off.
Yes. Everyone who come to me.
I have also adopted this, ma'am, technique.
Yes. Remote control for
Switch
your
off.
mind and for your emotions should be in your hand. दूसरे के हाथ में नहीं दीजिए. Then you will
definitely try.
लोग तो आपको इधर से उधर किक करेंगे. Don't be a football. एक जगह में स्थिर आपके काम रह के आप करिए. Stop being. Yes.
Thank you. The next question, Alicia is asking how to deal with anxiety attacks. And Moni wants to know that she is not able to sleep at night and how to get good sleep.
Okay. For both these questions,
That's a question. Yes, ma'am.
And what we call insomnia, not being able to sleep.
Good question.
It comes of a stressed mind. Mind is overstressed, then such reactions start coming. So how to handle these? One, anxiety ke liye, I take a multiple approach to handle anxiety. There are many students, many elders coming to me with anxiety disorders, what we call panic attacks, what we call general anxiety disorders. Sometimes we call it phobia, coming for counseling. So whenever you get anxiety, if it is not to such a level that it is affecting day-to-day life, then I'll give you some tips. If it is affecting your day-to-day life, you have to seek help, calm you, then you can go ahead. So what do you do if it is not affecting your personal life, but you are unhappy? क्या करने का है? You know anxiety is coming. Find a cozy place you like the most in your house. आपके घर में कोई ना कोई रहेगा जिसमें आपको बहुत शांति मिलता है. किसी को बेडरूम होता है, किसी को पूजा रूम होता है, किसी को किचन होता है. जो भी हो, whatever is the place in your house which gives you shanti, वो जगह में जाके बैठिए. Select a place. Even if you're in deep sleep, anxiety attacks can come in the night also. If it comes, get up, go and sit in that place. Take deep breaths. श्वास लीजिए, consciously do it. धीरे-धीरे श्वास अंदर लेके छोड़िए. Do this for about 5 minutes. करते-करते keep telling yourself, I am okay. I am all right. My life is in my hand. I am not insecure. बोल के positive statements देते रहिए. Then it will come. And another acupressure point which you can do is, you get anxiety. हाथों में कुछ उंगलियां हैं. ये जो उंगली है, this is a Japanese technique. खाली हाथ से ऐसे पकड़ के प्यार से बात करिए और एनर्जी दीजिए. See, we are all energy bodies. So there is energy going from one hand to the other hand. Hold each finger for 1 minute. प्यार से पकड़िए. Keep telling, I am all right. It works, sir. It works wonders. हर उंगली को ऐसे थोड़ा थोड़ा पकड़ के, because each one stands for an important emotion. Then do it on the other hand. This is one thing. इसमें भी आपका एंजाइटी बराबर नहीं हो रहा है तो आपके पेट में नेवल के ऊपर, what do you call the navel in Hindi, Baba?
नाभि.
Marathi nabi, we call it nabi.
नाभि के ऊपर आपके दोनों हाथ को, हाथ, your hands are powerful healing weapons which we don't know. दोनों हाथ को ऐसे पिरामिड के जैसे करके आपके नाभि के ऊपर रख के शांत से 3-4 बार take deep breath in and out. Your anxiety will run away. Seriously. There are many other tips which I can share later on, because everything if I tell now you will get confused also. So if you are getting anxious, find that comfortable spot in your room, house, go and sit there. Take deep breaths. That's the first thing. Second, go ऐसे ऐसे 1 मिनट के लिए पकड़ लीजिए. Don't undermine this technique. Don't think इसमें क्या होने वाले है. होता है. I've been practicing it for years. दोनों. और तीसरा, नाभि के ऊपर आपके हाथ रखिए. This is the same answer for insomnia. If you are not getting sleep when you lie down, first of all you must correct your sleeping pattern. 6 baja, 7 baja, whoever said insomnia, I'm sure you are late night people. कितना बजे खाते हैं आप?
Yes, Moni.
Yes, I am also.
कितना बजे खाते हैं खाना?
Ma'am, like 10, 9 o'clock.
Oh.
We actually have a prayer time. So whenever the prayer time finishes,
उसके बाद कितना बजे तक मोबाइल?
No, miss, no online and all. No online and all. But as I sleep now, continuously I get some other thoughts, and whole night I don't sleep. And like parents say to read something. So when I read also, I get very stressed out. My head starts.
Okay. So what's your good name, dear?
Moni.
Moni. Looks like Moni, you have a slightly higher level of stress which is causing this. You don't have to worry. But what I want you to do is start practicing PMR from today. 1. What have I taught you? Either PMR or creative visualization. Creative visualization means you keep putting the affirmation, I hit the bed and I'm going off to sleep. Okay? That's one thing you have to do. And second, make your bed in such a way that it is filled with things you love. Maybe your soft toys or pillows, जो आपको बहुत शांति देता है. Put on mild music. कुछ mild music लगा दीजिए. 10 बजे खाना खाए तो 11 बजे तक you should have put your brain on sleeping mode. मैसेज जाना चाहिए तभी वो नींद में जाएगा. Okay? And then you shut your eyes. So don't worry as such. Start counting. 100 के backward count करिए. Again, fine. Because what happens is many people are anxious. बाकी लोग सो रहे हैं, मुझे नींद नहीं आ रहे हैं. उससे ही ज़्यादा हो जाता है. But if this problem persists, if it's happening for more than a month, then I will give some names of some psychologists in Bombay. I'll give it to Maithili. You can contact her, talk to people, or you can take my number and talk to me. Online, I can teach you some techniques which will put you onto sleep very easily. और शाम को 4 से 5 बजे एक्सरसाइज करिए. खूब सारा एक्सरसाइज. बॉडी शुड बी टायर्ड. कि 7 बजे 8 बजे, that's what happens to me when my trainer comes. 5 बजे वो ट्रेनिंग खत्म करके जाता है. 7 बजे I'm like this. I don't want anything. I just want to sleep. So physical fitness शाम को. 1 घंटा 4 से 5 और उसके बाद 7-8 बजे खाना खा लेने का है. Don't eat at 10 o'clock. 2 घंटा आपके पेट को टाइम मिलना चाहिए हजम करने का है. Relax करो. And you'll go to sleep. It's not a big thing. We are doing it every day. You will go to sleep. उससे साथ भी नींद नहीं आ रही तो one small tip, feng shui tip. समुंदर नमक मिलता है ना, बहुत सस्ता है, दुकानों में मिलता है. एक कांच की कप ले लीजिए, उसमें समुंदर नमक भर के, प्रॉब्लम बहुत है तो एक नींबू को काट के उसके ऊपर रख के आपके तकिया के पास रख लीजिए, नींद आराम से आ जाएगा. I don't want to explain why, what and all, because that's another dimension altogether.
Okay.
Okay? Yes.
One
Thank
last
you, ma'am. Thank you
question.
so
One
much.
last question by
Welcome.
Sakshi Sawant.
Yes, dear.
Madam, I'm so much stressed from last few days because of many reasons. Result of this, I'm not able to concentrate on anything.
Okay. So concentration, Sakshi, is one of the reactions or outcome of stress. Normal concentration, when the mind is peaceful, the networking happens properly and we're able to focus our minds and do our work, which is called concentration. Because whatever you do is being controlled by your brain. Please understand that. बात करना, लिखना, सोचना, everything is from here. So if you is stressed, concentration को नहीं आएगा, चिंता घूमेगा, एक जगह में नहीं रहेगा. So you have to start some practices which will calm this fellow. I can suggest a homeopathic remedy for it right now. It's a biochemic salt called Tranquil. It has no side effects. All of us take it. Even my pet used to take it when he was too stressed. Do goli uska. It is not a medicine. It's a biochemic salt. Side effect nahi hai. Do goli Tranquil ka शाम को ले लीजिए और थोड़ा प्राणायाम प्रैक्टिस करिए. चिंता धीरे 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 it will start coming to focus and you will be happy and you'll be able to do anything that you want on earth. This is what you should do. But if concentration problems are becoming a big worry and if it's affecting your day-to-day life, then please get across to me, message me. I will suggest certain other therapeutic techniques which can help you. Yes, Sakshi?
Thank you, madam. Thank you
Thank
so
you very
much
much, ma'am.
for all your guidelines.
Thank you.
Now, I request Sangeeta Kongre to propose vote of thanks. Dr.
Thank you,
Sangeeta
madam.
Kongre.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So, friends, we have come to an end of this session. Dear Sundari ma'am, on behalf of Maharshi Dayanand College of Arts, Science and Commerce and the management, we, the Department of English, record our sincere thanks to you for sharing your valuable insights with our student participants and with us. Ma'am, your suggestions and tips given during this session to resolve stress will definitely help all of us during this pandemic crisis. Thank you very much, ma'am, for blazing us such a wonderful, mesmerizing, spiritual, and healing experience to go to Lonavala, Khandala, and then meeting our spiritual guides.
We went
Thank you
back
very
and
much,
came.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Remember
ma'am.
the time that we
It
used to
was-
go?
No,
Yes,
no.
yes, ma'am.
This time English department should plan a virtual.
And ma'am, thank you very much for taking us to the spiritual and wonderful journey to connect to our body and soul. We must put our sincere thanks and gratitude on record to the principals and teaching faculties from various colleges to motivate their students to participate in today's workshop.
How
We
many?
also thank
How many? Sorry. How many colleges have joined?
ma'am, almost 120 participants have registered for this from
Okay.
other colleges like IY College, Elphinstone College, CMR College. There are many more.
Oh, very good.
We also thank our principal, Dr. Chaya Panse ma'am, for the consistent support and motivation to organize such events for students' betterment. Even madam, though virtually there in Switzerland, still madam was thinking about students. So it shows madam's attachment to us and our students. We also thank to our vice principals, Pathak ma'am and Monisha Acharya madam. We are pleased and appreciate all the registered participants for this workshop. Dear students, here is an announcement that all of you will be getting the participation e-certificates very soon. We will send certificates on your registered emails. And last but not the least, we wish to thank Mr. Ayyappan and Rishikesh Davi sir for his technical support. Thank you, Davi sir. Now, with the permission of dignitaries, I end the meeting. Stay home, stay safe, and happy learning.
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you
very
very
much. Thank you very much, ma'am. It was really very
Thank
nice
you.
session. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yes, Michael,
Bye. Bye. Thanks.
do it
Yeah.
when you are all free with other techniques. There are many other techniques.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll have that. Yes, teach us all the techniques.
I shall. Bye, Chaya. Thank you
Bye.
for the opportunity. Go
Thank
to
you, ma'am.
sleep. No, like Jungle Book, I'm telling you, go to sleep.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am. Bye.
Bye,
Yeah.
dear.
I think the technician is not there. We have to leave.
Yeah, we
ourselves.
will leave. Yeah,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Bye. Bye, dear.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Vinay. Hello. Yes, Vinay. Are you accepting the invite? Okay. Yeah. No, I'm just coming. I just finished.